It is the 75th Independence Day this year 2021, which means A. India has achieved 75 years of freedom. B. India has achieved 74 years of freedom. C. India has achieved 76 years of freedom. D. India has achieved 73 years of freedom. Right answer option B. It is the 75th Independence Day this year 2021, which means India has achieved 74 years of freedom. Which among the following is true regarding the ratio of the national flag? A. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag shall be 3:2. B. The ratio of the length to the width of the flag shall be 3:2. C. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag shall be 2:3. D. Both A and B. Right answer option D. The national flag shall be rectangular in shape. The ratio of the length to the height of the flag shall be 3:2. On the Independence Day, the Prime Minister of the hoists our tricolor flag at A. The Purana Killa, Delhi. B. The Red Fort, Old Delhi. C. The Red Fort, Agra. D. The India Gate, New Delhi. Right answer option B. On 15 August 1947 and first Prime Minister of Independent India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru hoisted the Indian national flag above Lahori Gate of Red Fort in Delhi. From that day, Prime Ministers of India hoist our tricolor flag at the Red Fort, Old Delhi. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. Winston Churchill. C. Clement Attlee. D. Ramsay MacDonald. Right answer option C. Clement Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence. He served the post from 1945 to 1955. Who among the following was the first Governor General of Dominion of India? A. Lord Mountbatten. B. C. Rajagopalachari. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Right answer option A. Lord Mountbatten became the first Governor General of New Dominion of India. He served in Jawaharlal Nehru as the first Prime Minister of independent India. The famous quote, "A Tryst with Destiny," is given by A. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. B. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. C. Mahatma Gandhi. D. Abdul Kalam Azad. Right answer option B. First Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru said long years ago, we made a trust with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledges at the stroke of the midnight hour. When the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Which among the following plan was known as the Partisan's Plan? A. Macaulay Plan. B. Attlee Announcement. C. Montagu Chelmsford Reforms. D. Mountbatten Plan. Right answer option D. Lord Mountbatten, the Viceroy of India in 1947, put forth the partition plan, widely known as the Mountbatten Plan. The plan was accepted by the Congress and the Muslim League. Which of the following are the extremist leaders? A. Lala Lajpat Rai. B. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. C. Bipin Chandrapal. D. All of the above. Right answer option D. The extremist leaders were Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandrapal, and Arvindo Ghosh. Instead of TPP, protest, prayer, and petitions, but they emphasis on self reliance, constructive work, and Swadeshi. Who preceded the 1905 Congress session in Banaras? A. Gopal Krishna Gokhale. B. Dadabhai Naroji. C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. D. Arbindo Ghosh. Right answer option A. The Congress session in Banaras 1905 presided over by Gopal Krishna Gokhale. When the Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place? A. 10 April 1917. B. 13 April 1918. C. 9 April 1916. D. 13 April 1919. Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place on 13 April 1919. People were gathered at Jallianwala Bagh in Amritsar to protest against arrest of Saifuddin Kachhu and Satyapal on 13 April 1919.